Alright, so I bought another item from the TikTok shop. Man, TikTok is gonna get me. But I had to get it because it looks pretty cool. It is the military car, the Jeep. It is a 2.4 gigahertz radio control car. And it also lights up. So, I want to see if the actual 1/12 scale G.I. Joe classified figures actually fit on here. People in the comments said that they do, but let's see how it scales up. Alright, here we go. Let's get this thing unboxed. Oh yeah, here we go. There it is right there. Looks pretty cool. All your cables. Charge it up. Oh wait. Whoa, that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Put General Hawk on this thing. Yeah. He's got steering wheel and everything. Shifter, gear shifter. Probably can't see that very well. There it is. And there's a remote. Now, I don't know if it's fully charged yet, but let's go ahead and take off this plastic. Oh yeah. I want to see if the Joe figure fits in here, so I'm gonna go get my G.I. Joe figure. Alright, I got the G.I. Joe Trooper. I'm gonna see if he fits. Can you guys see that? Okay. It scales alright. Scales decent. Scales pretty decent. Alright, what do you guys think? Does it scale alright? There you go. I haven't seen any videos on TikTok to show how well it scales, but here you go, guys. It scales pretty decent. That's pretty cool. Now I just got to charge it up and take it for a spin. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. It's got windshield wipers. Look at that. It does move too. Manually, of course. And supposedly the steering wheel moves as well when you control it with the remote. Oh, wait a minute. It's got this stuff here, but I think it didn't come with any other accessories though. This might be sold separately because this obviously did not come with the figure or with the vehicle, so I don't need it because I want to be able to show you guys the Joe figure in here driving. Alright, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and charge up this battery and I'll check it out later and I'll show you guys too. Alright, so here we go. It's got lights and everything. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Got the batteries in this controller. Reverse. This is forward? Yeah, that's forward. Reverse. But check out the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but yeah. Let's take this out for a spin. It's got the lights on there. Why does it only have one light? Oh, it's got the rear lights. Does it go backwards too? Turn the steering wheel with this one. And it also moves. Look at that steering wheel. That That's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out for a spin. I'll have to upload another video to show you guys what it looks like with the figure in there.